Welcome to MyDan GST Noun. Today, we will be summarizing Module 1, Unit 1, Types of Libraries. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Introduction. This unit introduces the concept of a library and its origins, then explores various types of libraries. The types covered include academic libraries, researcher special libraries, school libraries, public libraries, and national libraries. It also discusses the functions of each library type. Intended learning outcomes, ILOs. By the end of this unit, students should be able to define what a library is, describe the origin of libraries, classify different types of libraries based on their characteristics and functions. Main content. The concept of a library. The term library comes from the French librairie and Latin liber, meaning book. A library is an organized collection of resources accessible to a defined community for reference or borrowing. These resources may include books, periodicals, newspapers, manuscripts, films, maps, prints, documents, microforms, CDs, cassettes, videotapes, DVDs, ebooks, audiobooks, databases, and other formats. Libraries can be physical or digital spaces, or a combination of both. History and origin of libraries. The first libraries contained archives of the earliest forms of writing, such as clay tablets in cuneiform script from Sumer, dating back to 2600 BC. Evidence of early libraries was found at Nippur, 1900 BC, and Nineveh, 700 BC, with some showing a classification system. Personal libraries emerged in classical Greece in the 5th century BC, while major libraries like those in Constantinople and Alexandria flourished by the 6th century AD. The oldest existing library in China, the Qianni Chamber Library, was founded in 1561. In North America, personal book collections were brought by French settlers in the 16th century, with the first non-personal library established at the Jesuit College in Quebec City in 1635. Types of libraries. Academic libraries. These are found in academic institutions such as universities, polytechnics, and colleges of education. Their primary purpose is to support the information needs of students and staff, providing resources for academic programs and research. Functions include providing research information resources. Offering materials for academic programs. Supplying recreational and self-development resources. Offering specialized information services to the larger community. Cooperating with other libraries to improve services. Ensuring a conducive reading environment. Research special libraries. These libraries are specialized, serving specific research needs or professional groups. Examples include medical, agricultural, and law libraries. Functions include providing specialized collections tailored to the needs of particular user groups. Offering in-depth reference and research services. Facilitating access to specialized databases and resources. School libraries. Found in primary and secondary schools, these libraries support the educational needs of students and teachers. They typically have resources like fiction books, visual materials, study kits, and realia. Functions include enhancing teaching and learning by providing relevant resources. Promoting reading habits among students. Supporting curriculum requirements and school projects. Public libraries. Public libraries serve the general public and provide a wide range of services to meet the informational, educational, and recreational needs of the community. Functions include offering free access to information and resources. Providing educational programs and literacy initiatives. Serving as community centers for cultural and social activities. National libraries. Are established by the government. These libraries serve as the country's primary repository of information. They rarely allow borrowing and typically house rare, valuable, or significant works. Functions include acting as the legal depository and bibliographic center of the nation. Advising on library development and organization. Managing the national bibliography and bibliographic services. The National Library of Nigeria, headquartered in Abuja, also issues International Standard Book Numbers, ISBN, to publishers and authors. Conclusion. Libraries play a critical role in individual development, societal progress, and economic growth. They support research by providing access to vast repositories of knowledge and information. Summary. This unit covers the concept and history of libraries, distinguishing between different types of libraries and their functions. It emphasizes the importance of libraries in supporting academic, professional, and personal growth. Do you want to learn more? Then subscribe, like and favor us.